Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good in everything. Adjust in every odd situation. Hello, students. Let us continue the remaining part of Unit 3. I was explaining about the reaction of Maharana Babu when the secret of the missing cap was disclosed. He was stunned. According to the writer Manoj Das, Sri Maharana's look resembled with a patient whose disease has been found out, but unfortunately it is uncurable. Here the line has been written, look. Then wiping sweat from his forehead, he smiled like a patient whose disease has been diagnosed. He smiled like a patient whose disease has been diagnosed all right, but is known to be incurable. Look, it means that Sri Maharana's look resembled with a patient whose disease has been found out, but unfortunately it is incurable. That means for a moment he had a sigh of relief that he knew about the missing cap who has taken it. But at the other moment he realized that he was not sure of the whereabouts of the monkey Jhandu who has taken the cap. He was also frightened about the reaction of the minister when he will wake up. He then patted me and said, "My son, nice you told me, but keep it strictly to yourself. I will reward you later." Maharana Babu then patted means touched gently with affection and love. He patted to Manoj Das and said, "My son, nice you told me." He told that Maharana Babu told that he thanked Manoj Das that he told about the missing cap to him, and further he told not to speak about it to anybody, but keep it strictly to yourself. He wanted that Manoj Das should keep the secret of the missing cap and should not tell anybody about it. "I will reward you later." He told that he will reward Manoj Das later. The incident had thrown a wet blanket on the occasion. Look at this phrase, a wet blanket on the occasion. It means to spoil the fun. The incident of the missing cap had spoiled the fun of the occasion. Everybody was happy and excited to receive and welcome Babu Veer Kishore. But the mystery of the missing cap has spoiled their happiness. They were all worried about the minister's reaction when he will find his cap missing, what they will answer to the minister. From the sepulchral silence of the minister's room, all that could be heard was his intermittent coughing. Look, sepulchral silence. Sepulchral means serious or sad and rather frightening. Silence of the minister's room, all that could be heard was his intermittent coughing. Intermittent means periodical. Look at the sentence, I am explaining it. The minister periodically coughed while sleeping, which was heard from his room. There was a silence. Only his coughing was heard. His coughing broke the silent, grave and tense surrounding, always worried, thinking that the minister has woke up and what they will say. And every time he coughed, anxiety damped the spirit of the people in the courtyard and on the veranda. Look at this word veranda. This is an Indian word which has been included in the Oxford Dictionary. His every single coughing aroused a feeling of nervousness among the people who were waiting outside the room in the veranda where the minister was sleeping. I went to join my friends. After that, Manoj Das went away to join his friends. They were all full of anxiety. They were nervous. They were worried for that missing cap. They refers to Manoj Das' friends. One said that if the thief were caught, the police would hang him on the big banyan tree beside the river. Some twigs have already been cut off. Some said, perhaps all the villagers will be thrown into the jail, said another. Among us there were even such knaves who believed that the minister's cap was a sort of Aladdin's lamp, that anyone who put it would carry or would possess ministerial power. Look, I am explaining it. Hear it carefully. The innocent friends of Manoj Das again started discussing about the incident. They were so simple that they were frightened of the consequences when the thief of the missing cap of the minister will be caught. One of them thought that if the thief will be caught, the police will openly hang him on the big banyan tree beside the river in the village. One of his friends noticed that small branches of the tree had already been cut off. The villagers had already made arrangements to hang the thief. They thought that all the villagers, including them, will be punished and thrown into the jail. They were so innocent. Among them, there were some innocent people. Knave means innocent people is known as knaves. Innocent people who thought that the minister cap contained some magical power like Aladdin's lamp, that anyone who put it on will have the power of a minister. Therefore, it was stolen. There were too many cooked up opinions about the reason of the stolen cap, but no one reached to the actual conclusions. They all were worried. This shows that all were very much worried for the cap and what will happen when the minister will wake up. This is the end of the third unit of the mystery of the missing cap. We came to know that the story describes the rural atmosphere of our state. People residing in the villages believe in superstitions. They have very simple thinking. They overthink every small situation and make it big. They always get scared of little things and think of drastic consequences. Go through each and every word, learn the meanings which will help you to write the question answers. In the next unit, you will see how Sri Maharana, being the chairman of the reception committee, managed every situation smartly. For the first time, he had spoken a lie about the missing cap because he was so much worried for that. You will also see how the cultural program was held out even in such an odd situation. You will enjoy it. Till then, take care and study well.